Guys, welcome back to the channel. What if you could turn a photo, a video clip, or just a text prompt into stunning animation in minutes? That is exactly what Domo AI does, and today I am going to walk you through everything it offers. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video like this one. So, Vere's Domo AI is a free AI creative studio. It turns your text, images, and video footage into high-quality animation and visual content fast. No editing experience needed, no expensive software, just your idea and a browser. Over 5 million creators worldwide. And it turns more than 70 AI video models, and its Discard community is ranked Nubo 7 globally. So these statistics show that this platform is going to be groundbreaking. So now we will discuss its different features and its core AI tools. Viewers, Domo AI covers every stage of the creative process. So here you can check out its different features. Text to video, you can generate dynamic videos directly from the text prompt. And the next feature is frames to video. You can upload 2 to 8 images, generate video with smoother transition between every frame. And the next feature is video to video. You can transform existing footage into anime realistic or any style by a reference. And the next amazing feature that Domo is bringing is image to video. You can convert static images into animated videos with smooth motion. So here you can see the next amazing feature is talking avatar. You can create lifelike avatars that speak your script with realistic speech. And next amazing feature is character animation. Bring characters to life by uploading motion videos to specific actions. And the next amazing feature is text to video. So these are the amazing features, and you can see that now I will show you how can you do it. So the process is very simple. Here you can see that you will click on Start Creating for free. So first of all, we will have to sign up our account. We can log in with Google. After confirming that we are agreed to the terms of services and privacy policy, so we will click on Login with Google. Let me show you two quick real-world examples. So here you can see that we are going to create text to image. So first of all, we will select a model. So here you can see that you can select any model. So I am going to selecting Fusion S2, and after that we will have to put our prompt, and then we can select the ratio. So here you can see I am going to put my prompt. So my prompt is Achilles and Hector standing face to face, arm for battle, clear facial details, realistic and sharp. So after putting the prompt, we will click on Generate. So within a few seconds, our task will be created successfully. So now it is under progress, and within few seconds, our text to image will be ready. So viewers, here you can see that our required image has been created. Hector and police are face to face. Viewers, now we will try another feature that is image to video. So here you can see that we are going to try image to video. First of all, we will have to select the model, and then we will have to add some assets like a reference image. So here I am going to add assets. So you can see that we can also add assets from our device storage. So I am going to select the image which we already created. Image of Achilles and Hector. So here you can see that I have provided reference image, and now I will put my prompt. So here my prompt is a duel between Achilles and Hector, expert sword, spear, and shield combat. So this is my prompt, and after putting the prompt, so here you can see that you can select different features, and here you can see the features are available: auto 3x4, and you can also check out 16:9. So I am going to select it 16:9, and the duration is available. You can see 5 second and 10 second, but I am going to choose 5 second. So Now, after putting all this information, we will click on Generate. So our task created successfully. In few seconds, our video will be ready. So viewers, our video is ready. The results looks like a scene taken from a movie. So here you can see what a cinematic result, what an amazing result. So this is how Domo AI works. Reverse Domo AI also handles the complex editing task automatically. Lip synchronization, automatic synchronization audio with video perfectly for talking head content and character animations. Background removal, no green screen needed. Use screen keying or subject-only mode for the precise results. Video upscaler is another amazing feature. Enhance footage resolution and clarity using AI upscaling technology. Motion and style reference. You can upload a reference image or video to transfer dance moves or custom art styles instantly. So viewers, for faster access, Domo AI offers ready-to-use quick apps, no setup required. These includes the AI NNM video generator, AI video styles, transfer cartoonize, video object, AI image editor, text-to-image, AI image upscale, AI VTuber and Maker, and the AI cartoon video generator, and more. One click, open and create. Let's talk about the pricing plans. Here you can see that Domo AI offers a free plan with credits to get you started at zero cost. And you can also check out that paid plans are billed yearly, saving you 30%. The basic plan is $7 per month for 500 credits, 100 videos or 500 images, 3 fast lanes, no watermarks, all styles included. And the standard plan is $19.59 per month, 15 credits, 300 videos, or 1,500 images, plus unlimited generation in relax mode with GPT Image 2 and Nano Pro support. You can also check out the Pro plan is a $48.99 per month. The US dollar is the best value, 4,000 credits, 800 videos are 4,000 images plus exclusive tools including character to video at 20s and 30s, mean 20 to 30 seconds, extending tower talking of hours. All content you create is yours. Full commercial use is permitted across every plan. Weverse Domo AI is one of the most complete AI creative platform available right now. The free entry point, the clear pricing tiers, the wide tool range, and the commercial use freedom make it a serious option for any level of creator. The official website link is in the description below. Go explore it for yourself. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with a fellow creator. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.